cool, huh? Very cool. Feels good. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. Today we are at Ferne Clyffe State Park. Gonna check out some waterfalls. Big Rocky Hollow. Go to Redmond, Hawks Cave, all that good stuff. See if there's any waterfalls. You get to come with us, so stay tuned. This trail is a lot greener than it was the last time we came through here. I think the last time we came through here was during leaf off. Now it's very green and wet. Good to see this trail wet. Hopefully the waterfall looks good. Alrighty folks, there's the waterfall. Very cool. Very cool. Alrighty folks, now we're at Redmond Trail. Go check out them waterfalls. Can't visit this trail without paying respects to Emma Redmond, who founded the spot, really, or owned it, donated it to the park. Donated to the state, that is, to be a park, but maintained it as a park long before state parks were ever a thing. So it's really cool. She saw the beauty in it and wanted everyone to see it. And it was actually voted as, I believe, the most beautiful spot in Illinois at one time in an old publication. So, pretty cool. All right, haven't seen this one flowing in a while. And there's another one right over here. 2 in 1 frame. Redmond Falls. Beautiful. Come here a couple New Year's Eves ago. It was crazy. Probably been about 6 years, really, 5 or 6 years. And that waterfall right there goes across the Boy Scout trail. It's really about the only cool part about that trail. Big uphill. Really pretty. Very pretty scene. Check that out. All sorts of crazy spider web. Cool, huh? Even them cicada boys are over here too. And girls.
Right.
Alrighty folks. Now we're at Hawks Cave Trail, which gives this park its name, Ferne Clyffe, because the brothers who owned Hawks Cave noted the ferns that grew around it, and that's pretty much what started the name. Easy mile loop. We'll go check it out. Just a little waterfall here. Nothing spectacular. Still pretty cool though. Here at the largest cave shelter in southern Illinois, at least the largest known. I mean, there could be another one that's bigger, but really people don't go to it, so pretty cool area though for sure. Very cool place. Storms are coming. It's raining again. Pretty severe storms. Missouri heading our way. Should be able to make it back home before they get here. If not, storm chasing. Alright folks, here's the big cave shelter. It's big. Hear thunder, starting to thunder. If it became a downpour right now, this would be one of the better places, because we are definitely covered. And as you could tell, water really doesn't get trapped in here. Even if it rained sideways, I feel like we'd be alright. Here it is. Definitely a cool spot. Okay. Can't really see it, but nice little waterfall. All right, folks.
You got me already.
Michelle about got splashed.
You already splashed me.
That was the hike. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, Michelle will see you on the trail.